Bonjour my friends, I'm Frank and welcome to Club Foodie. Summer is my favorite time of the year. I so enjoy the warm weather, the outdoor activities, my garden, and all the yummy summer treats. If you like chocolate, it doesn't matter how young or old you are. This cold treat is definitely a summer favorite. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Fudgesicle. Cold, creamy, and chocolatey, this delicious treat is perfect on a hot day. Made with dark chocolate, this rich cold fudgesicle is a great refreshing treat for summer's hot temperatures. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a saucepan, over medium heat, we'll add sweetened condensed milk, as well as 1 cup of 1% milk and cocoa powder. We'll whisk until the cocoa powder is blended. It might look like it won't, but eventually all the granules from the powder will dissipate as the mixture warms up. Now, during the process, just before the mixture starts simmering, we'll add cornstarch with the remaining half a cup of milk, and continue whisking until the cocoa powder is blended and the mixture starts to thicken, about 5 minutes. When it gets there, we'll remove from the heat and pour in the chocolate mixture into a measuring cup. To this, we'll add mini chocolate chips, give a good stir before adding pure vanilla extract and fleur de sel, which it can be found at any specialty store. We'll stir one more time and then carefully fill up the molds. We'll insert the sticks and transfer to the freezer for at least 24 hours. The next day, we'll dip the mold in very hot water until it releases the fudgesicle and simply enjoy it. And my friends, this is how fudgesicle. Cool, refreshing, and oh, so chocolatey. This homemade version is absolutely delicious. These are far better than the ones from the store because they are much more flavorful. This cold treat definitely has to be on your must-have list this summer. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!